to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I come up with these awesome blinged out phone cases. So today we'll be working with the iPhone 7 Plus, and as you can see, I already have my pieces laid out on the phone case and they're already glued. So what we'll need for today is a picking tool, some E6000 glue. These are little trays I bought off the Amazon. You can use these if you want, or you can just spread it around on the side. I have another tool which will help me get into like them small creases, your rhinestones, and what I highly recommend is your mask. The reason why you want to use this mask is because this glue is really strong, and this glue I think, if I'm not mistaken, has a warning label for cancer. So you want to make sure that you get a mask that has a ventilator, or I think you call these, I forgot what you call these, but I'll link it in the description. I think I got mine off of Amazon, or maybe I had got it from Ross. It was a set. But I highly recommend that you use this mask when you're using any type of chemicals or any type of glue that has like a strong adhesive industrial chemical in it. So yeah, so this mask is what I highly recommend. So let's get started. So now that the phone case is fully blinged out, now we're going to just pull off the plastic. Now, don't forget, when you buy these pieces, a lot of them will either come with the brown, which this is tan plastic covering, or clear. So make sure before you glue, because sometimes they even might come on both sides. So before you glue, tear off the plastic.